Hey guys, in today's video, I want to share with you how much money I make as a small YouTuber. Now I know before you get started, you may say 47,000 subscribers is a decent amount, and it is, and I'm very grateful for every single subscriber. But I've been making $4,000 to $5,000 a month for the last 2 years on YouTube, and that's when I had a really small following. My income hasn't really grown much from that, but there are some things that I have done right that gets me a consistent amount of money every single month, and I want to show you guys how. So you ready? Let's go. Okay, so let's get this out the way first. The type of videos you make matter as to how much money you can make on YouTube. So when you talk about things that a lot of people are interested in, like gaming, vlogging, beauty and fashion, technology, and personal finance, these are all good topics that can make you a nice amount in ad revenue because a lot of people are interested in those topics. The more people you can get to watch your videos, the more money you can make from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate sales. So you also want to think about the reasons that people go to YouTube. So the majority of the reasons are for entertainment, learning, current news, music, product reviews, or research. So I chose the personal finance niche because I have a personal finance blog. So it was like an easy transition. I just repurposed the same content from my blog. Now this is the problem and the main reason I believe my YouTube channel has not grown as fast as it probably should have. And it's because in the beginning, I niched down to blogging. So blogging is very niche, and the trend for people who are interested in blogging has gone down every single year. So even though I'm a successful blogger, the amount of people that are interested in that is not very high. So I can talk about blogging until I'm blue in the face, but people are just not interested in becoming a blogger, or I should say not as many people are. So I do have a blogging course, and that does, in my YouTube videos does help me convert those into actual buying customers. So that does help. So that's why I do my YouTube videos on blogging. But if you don't have a real course or anything to be promoting in a very niche segment, it's probably not smart to go that way if you want to make money through ads. And I still do get sponsorships, but my views are not that high. But me focusing on a topic where not a lot of people are interested in is the main reason I haven't had such rapid growth on my channel. But even with that, I've still been able to make decent money. So the main two ways that I've been able to make money are from ads and affiliate marketing. I've done some sponsorships, and one of them even paid me $2,500 for a 1-minute spot in a video, and I could not believe it. So I'm going to share with you guys how I was able to negotiate that at the end of this video. But that was all the motivation I needed to say. If I could just grow my channel, I could get paid way more in sponsorships and all those kind of things. So this year I really want to focus on growing my channel, but here is how I've been able to make a consistent $4,000 to $5,000 every single month. So let's take a quick look at my ad income. I got monetized about 5 months into starting my channel. And then so you can, in August, so I started in March and then I got monetized in August. And you can see here, I didn't get paid out until October, and those $258. And then it slowly grew to, every month it was a couple hundred more, and then started making $1,000 and then $2,000. And then it went down to $1,900, then back up to almost $3,000, and then went down again to $1,400, and now it's back up to $2,600. So those are my numbers of how much I was making every single month from ad income. So I was ranging from between $1,500 to $2,500 every single month on YouTube from ads. Now, the other ways that I was making money from YouTube are primarily through affiliate marketing. I focused on affiliate marketing in the very beginning because that's how I make the most money from my blog. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with affiliate marketing is when you refer a product or a service to someone using your unique referral link. If they make a purchase, you get a commission off of that sale. So it's basically, you're just referring products to people that will help them in some capacity, and in return, you get a kickback for it. So to me, it's like a total win-win. So in just about every video I promote some product or service, and that's how I've been able to make so much money through affiliate marketing on YouTube. Now, the reason I believe I've done so well through affiliate marketing is because I use SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. So I use this tool called Keywords Everywhere just to help me determine how many people are searching for a specific topic each month. This tool is not all the way accurate, but what I do is I just use it as a sense to see if people are searching for a specific topic. So I like to use YouTube auto suggest to help me figure out what people are searching for, and then I use keywords everywhere to show me how frequent they are. Let me show you an example. So if I go to YouTube right here, and then you use this auto suggest, so you just start, when I say auto suggest, you just start putting in words, and YouTube is gonna try and finish your sentence for you. And the only reason that they can do this is because these are common search terms that people are searching for. So this tells me that many people are searching for the same thing, and YouTube is trying to read my mind and trying to finish it for me. So this is a great tool for research. So when I'm looking at stay at home mom, I can see what stay at home moms are searching for. So stay at home mom routines, stay at home mom jobs. So I can also see how often people are searching for these every single month. Now stay at home mom, okay, that's nice, but what would I be doing a video on about stay-at-home mom? That's not specific. I need something specific. So stay-at-home mom routines, I see that 260 people search for this every single month. That's not enough for me. I need to at least have over 1,000 people searching for something specific. So stay-at-home mom jobs, that looks like a great search volume. 22,000 people every single month looking this up. Now, yes, this is not accurate, but this was enough for me to say, oh, okay, let me do a video on this. And so I did. So you can see I'm right here. Today I'm in the search results for the number one. It changes. If you do put in like best stay-at-home mom jobs, you're probably gonna find my video high up in the search results. But one thing that I did is when I was trying to figure out if I should do a video on this, I have another tool that I use and I love it. And if you scroll all the way down, let me show you how I use it. So you put in the keyword that you want to do it on, and I'm going to put this tool in the description below so you guys can check it out. It is a paid version, but it's so worth it. So you put it in the keyword you want, and then you go here to Search Explorer, and you click here for weighted. So this is going to show me if my channel has a good chance of ranking in the search results on YouTube for this. So then I go to here to click for weighted, and it's going to tell me if this is a good keyword for my channel to do a video on. And it says excellent. So when I see things like that, I'm saying, okay, so I checked this tool. It says it's excellent. There's some other factors that I do look at too, which I'll share with you guys in a minute. And that is how I decide if I should do a video or not. And then I do the video. I'm making sure too that if I'm gonna do a video on stay-at-home mom jobs, I have to say those words in my video as well, so YouTube can, because they can transcribe as well, so they know that I'm saying those words in my video. So it's important that you use keywords on your title and your description, and description is not that big of a deal, but mainly your title, and make sure that you say those words in your video if you want to rank for that specific topic or term that you're searching for. So yeah, so this tool tells me that yes, I should do a video on it. It worked. I did a video on it, and I've been in the search results high up for like over a year now. This video is a year, and this video did not go viral, but it was slow growth. And what I liked about it though, even though it didn't go viral, I had very specific people that were looking up this video. So people who were looking for, people who saw this video, they were probably a stay-at-home mom looking for a job. So by looking at my video, the odds of them looking at it are very high because I was coming up high up in the search results. And the things that I was promoting in that video, they were more highly likely to make a purchase because it's gonna help them find ways to make money from home so they can be at home with their kids. And I wanna share with you guys this quick tip is that many people don't know how to get to your description. So when I'm talking about different affiliate products or that's something that they should check out, I also put them in the comment section because people will always say like, well, I don't see where's the stuff that you mentioned. They don't know how to get to the description. So what I do is I put those in the comment section and then I pin it. Let me show you how it looks. So for example, I did a video here, and if you scroll down, I said to attend Coach Rose's upcoming challenge, you can email her here, and then another link that said looking for more ways to make money, you can download my free ebook. So I pinned that comment to make it easy for people to click on and go ahead to purchase it, or email. For this example, it was to email someone, but that's what you want to do. You want to make it easy for them to click on your affiliate links so they can make a purchase and then you can earn a commission. I want to share with you guys another example of a video I did that can help you. So I did a video on Shipped, and it kind of goes, I took a risk on this one because this one video was over a year ago and it only got 24,000 views. So, you know, I was thinking that should do a video on this, but then I was thinking, but people aren't that interested because this is the first thing that pops up and it's only 24,000 views and it was a whole year ago. So people might not be interested in this, but I went ahead and did a video on it anyway, and it's done really well already. It's showing up in the search results. It showed up in the search results pretty quick, and it's already had 11,000 views, and that was just 2 months ago. So sometimes you just do have to take a risk. If you want to do a video on something and you think it might do well, do a video on it. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? It worked well in my favor. And I have an affiliate program that I promote in this video, and you guys would never guess what it was. And I actually want you to go to that video and see if you can see the affiliate program that I'm promoting. And this is the hint. It has nothing to do with the Amazon product that I promote later on. This is something that you guys can kind of see how I did it and then take this as a note for how you can do it as well. But I do want to say that I never drove for Shipt or an Instacart video that I did, an Amazon Flex video I did. What I did, I just asked questions to someone who did drive for those companies, and I did a video on it, and those videos have made me a lot of money, and I've never drove for them. So don't lock yourself in a box and say, well, I can't talk about that because I never did a video on that before. Neither have I, but people come to YouTube to learn. So I put myself in the shoes of someone who knows nothing about Instacart or Shipt, and I ask all those questions to someone who knows the answers, and then I just write them all down, and then I do a video on it, and I act as a subject matter expert. And I'm honest, I never say that I've driven for these companies. I just say that I interview people who have done this, and I share all the details with you guys so you can decide if you want to do this too. So I'm honest and upfront about it, and these people are loving these videos, and it's making me money. And I recently discovered another tool that inspired me to do a video, and it's currently going viral, and I'm loving it. So this tool gives you daily ideas that you can actually write about that can go viral. But I'm gonna warn you guys, the ideas are not always that great, but it is worth a quick look, and it's a free tool. They do have paid versions, but right now I'm just using the free tool, and I'm gonna show you really quickly what it looks like. So, and I'm gonna put this in the description below as well, but they give you daily ideas, and then they'll even help you with AI title recommendations. So you can put in your keyword that you want to rank for, and then they will actually come up with some really good clickbait titles. I shouldn't say clickbait, but good clickable titles that will make people want to click and help you decide how you should title your video. So it's really cool, and it's something that you guys should check out, especially if you're gonna be on YouTube. But the video that did well was the best high yield savings account video, and it's got 52,000 views already, and I just posted it 3 weeks ago. Now, I'm not monetizing this by any affiliate sales. I'm only monetizing it by ads, and I am encouraging people to join my email list at the end of the video, and my email list is growing significantly just from this one video. So if you don't always do affiliate marketing, make sure that you're capturing them somehow, you know, for free ebook or freebie or something, because you don't want them to, you know, watch your video and then go away. Not everyone's gonna sign up, but you want to give them a reason to sign up so you can at least get some of those people who watch that video to keep them into your community. But when I was on this tool, when I was looking up to see what kind of daily ideas they had, it said high yield savings accounts, and I was like, oh, well, I have a high yield savings account. I like it a lot. Maybe I should just do some research and then do a video on it. And then I did that, and it has gone great for me. It's making me a lot of money. It's increased my ad income this month, and it's probably gonna keep doing it for a while. So I'm like, it's riding a really good train right now, and that's why you should definitely just check this out every single day. Their daily ideas that they're promoting. If they're not a good one, if you don't think that you want to do a video on it, don't do it. But just look for it, look to it for inspiration to say, oh, that's a good idea. Maybe I could do a video on that, because you never know. It worked for me. All right, so as promised, I want to share with you guys how I negotiated that $2,500 sponsorship. So this company reached out to me about a sponsorship opportunity, and they asked for my rates. Now, I don't have any rates because I don't do enough sponsorships, because my views are not consistent or predictable, and it's not what I'm doing, because I'm not consistent in my views, and I wanted to get my views up before I started doing sponsorships. But they asked me to send my demographics over, so I pulled them from my YouTube analytics, and then I asked them what was their budget. And they said $2,500. So then I said, okay, I'll do it for $2,500. And then they said, okay, with no pushback. I would have never asked for that much with my small channel and inconsistent views. But they saw more value in myself than I did. So if you guys have sponsors coming your way and they ask for your rates and you don't have them, just tell them that you don't have it set up and what's their budget for this project. And if you like what their budget is, then go ahead and take it. All right? So that's how it happened. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was valuable. If you guys are still here, you are my people. Let me know in the comment section that you made it. I love you guys for watching this video, and I hope that it was helpful for you guys to kind of see how I do my stuff and then how you can do yours too. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And YouTube is great, but the recent side hustles I talked about in one of my videos are even better. And I'm so confident that number 4 in that video will blow you away. I'm telling you guys to unsubscribe if it doesn't blow you away. I'm that confident in it. All right, so check that one out today, right now, and let your mind be blown. There are just so many ways to make money, and YouTube is definitely one of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.